Hi guys, I'm Sean from TP-Link, back again today to show you another great product in this new video. Today, this is the Deco Voice X20. Now this is a corner-to-corner Wi-Fi system. It's Mesh Wi-Fi 6 and it also gives you an Alexa speaker in every room of the house. Let's open up the box and check out what's inside. Alright guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. Just a quick one today to show you our new product. If you have any feedback or if there's anything else you want to see on the channel, please let us know in the comments and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye bye.